This grated egg avocado toast is going crazy on TikTok right now. It's delicious and a must try. I actually tried it back in 2017 when Foodie Crush shared her version, and it is so delicious. All you need is a avocado, hard-boiled egg, some toast, and I like to add tomato. So what we're doing is we're going to cut open a ripe avocado, carefully of course, and we're going to take one half. I just pop out that seed, put it into the other half, and then I take the bigger half because I want more avocado. I'm going to mash this avocado with my desired seasonings. You could also just put it as slices on there or just leave it not seasoned, but I need seasoning in my avocado. So I'm using granulated seasonings here, not powdered. I'm using granulated garlic and granulated onion, as well as some salt and pepper. Now you could also add in some lime or even some salsa to this, whatever you like. Just, if you have a favorite avocado toast, you could even do that and just grate some egg on top. Now we're just gonna mix this together and set it aside. I have some gorgeous Roma tomatoes. And yes, I did clean the plate before I put the bread down. I'm just gonna put that mashed avocado right on top, top it with those thinly sliced tomatoes, and then we're ready to add that grated egg. You want to make your hard-boiled eggs in advance and put them in the refrigerator so they're easier to grate, but they're definitely still going to fall apart. Another easier way to do this was just to make an avocado egg salad, just mash it all together. But this is all about the presentation, and it looks pretty darn appetizing, doesn't it? It's actually really delicious. Have you given this a try? Let us know in the comments below. We hope to see you guys soon. We'll be back next week with another delicious recipe.